Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today show another customized PCB conveyor, but it is with a cutting function. The outer structure is very solid, machined with 3 sections. PCB in, it will go through the first and the second section. The cylinder block on 2 sides. PCB stop. Block part release, then the second section will turn down. Meanwhile, break the PCB panel along with the V slot. After finish, block part release, PCB flow to the end. Okay, now we check the action again. Now let us check the results. The cutting place is without any burr, very clean cutting side, no any damage. This machine can replace the manual cutting. It will be more efficient and can get a high quality cutting result. If you have the same situation or special requirement, welcome to contact us. Thanks for your watching.